Good day, I'm Peter Rogers. I'm from a small town in the Free State, Bloemfontein, a small city, not a very big city. I've been interested in farming my whole life since I was a small boy. Therefore, I've worked at some farms when I was a small boy at family of mine. After school, I started doing more stuff on farms. With cattle, sheep, and some game animals like blesbuck, springbucks, and all of that small game animals. I also have some experience in the mowing of crops for feeding for animals, as well as grinding some maize for feeding of the animals. And I also have some experience in driving a 10-ton truck. In this side, I've driven a Isuzu truck, and I also had the privilege to drive a Massey Ferguson, John Deere, as well as a Case tractor. I also have some experience in rowing of the crops for the feeding of the animals and get it ready to be baled. I also have some experience in the maintenance of the vehicles, like servicing oil filters, diesel filters, and I also have experience in automatic vehicles, to drive automatic vehicles. Thank you.